Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to select who can call you on Telegram Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Telegram app and tap on this three-line icon to top left corner and tap on settings, tap on privacy and security and tap on calls. And now you can select any of them, and if you select my contacts, then here you need to select always allow add user, and now select this contact you want to get calls, tap on done, and now tap on add users next to never allow, and select those contact you don't want to get any calls and tap on done. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.